Every time steel is produced, temperatures inside industrial furnaces can exceed 1500 degrees Celsius. But have you ever wondered what protects these furnaces from such extreme heat? The answer is refractories, specialized materials designed to withstand very high temperatures. One of India's leading companies in this field is TRL Krasaki Limited. In today's video, we'll understand the company's business, products, growth opportunities, risks, and why it is closely followed in the unlisted market. TRL Krasaki Limited is one of India's leading manufacturers of refractory products and solutions. The company has decades of experience serving industries where extremely high temperatures are part of daily operations. Its product portfolio includes shaped refractories, unshaped refractories, monolithic products, slide gate systems, purging systems, total refractory management services. The company serves industries such as steel, cement, glass, non-ferrous metals, power, and petrochemicals. So, how does TRL Krasaki generate revenue? The company designs, manufactures, and supplies refractory products that are used to line industrial furnaces and high-temperature equipment. Its revenue comes from sale of refractory products, engineering solutions, installation and maintenance services, technical support, long-term contracts with industrial customers. Since refractory materials wear out over time, customers require regular replacement and maintenance, creating recurring business opportunities. TRL Krasaki's growth is closely linked to India's industrial development. As steel production increases, demand for high-quality refractory products also rises. Government investment in infrastructure, manufacturing, railways, and construction supports long-term demand for steel and cement, which in turn benefits the refractory industry. The company also focuses on technological innovation, customized solutions, and operational efficiency to strengthen its position in the market. Its long-standing expertise and customer relationships remain key competitive advantages. Overall, TRL Krasaki Limited has built a strong reputation as one of India's leading refractory solution providers. Its role in supporting steel, cement, and other high-temperature industries makes it an important part of India's industrial ecosystem.
If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mira Associates for more educational content on unlisted companies and the unlisted share market.
Mira Associates provides assistance for unlisted share transactions only. We do not provide investment advice or recommendations. Investments in securities are subject to market risks. Please conduct your own research before making investment decisions.